Put your hands together with him. You know you got him under your feet. He can't keep you down. Got the devil under my feet.
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 Holy Ghost holding him down, Lord.
Holy Ghost holding me down, Lord.
Holy Ghost holding him
Down, down,
How many know you got the devil under your feet? How many of you know that the devil can't do you no harm? How many of you know he tried? But greater is he that is in me than he that is in the world. So I want to tell it one more time. Got the devil under my feet.
the devil under my feet.
Got the devil under my feet.
Got the devil under my feet.
I got the devil under my feet.
Got the devil under my feet.
The Holy Ghost is holding it down, Lord.
Holy Ghost holding him down, Lord.
The Holy Ghost is holding him down, down under my feet. Listen, a charge to keep I have, God to glorify. Every dying soul to save, fitted good for the sky. You know to serve the present age, my calling to fulfill. Oh man, all my power engaged, I wanna do my master's will. Yeah, I got the devil under my feet.
Got the devil under my feet.
I said I got the devil under my feet.
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 The Holy Ghost is holding him down, Lord.
Holy Ghost holding him down, Lord.
I said the Holy Ghost holding him down, Lord.
Holy Ghost holding him down, Lord.
I said the Holy Ghost holding him down, Lord.
Holy Ghost holding him down, Lord.
I said the Holy Ghost is holding him down, Lord.
Holy Ghost holding him down, Lord.
The Holy Ghost is holding him down, down, down. You know, when the devil tries to turn you around, sometimes you just got to stop and see the enemy on your trail. And you got to look him in the face and say, Satan is a liar and a deceiver too. If you're not careful, he'll try to trick you. I know I got religion. I got it when I was young. Soul is saved and filled with the Holy Ghost. The devil can't do me no harm. Yeah, got the devil under my feet.
Got the devil under my feet.
The Holy Ghost is holding him down, is a liar. I know he's a cheater too. If you not careful, my friend, he'll try to do the best to you. But oh, I got the devil under my feet.
Got the devil under my feet.
The Holy Ghost is holding him down, Lord.
The Holy Ghost is holding him down, Lord.
The Holy Ghost is holding him down, down, down under my feet. Come on. Go ahead, sir. He can try all he wants to. He can do anything he want to do. But I know I got him on my feet. Can you hear you say yeah? Yeah. 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 Hallelujah. 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 Glory, hallelujah. I'm saved. Do you know you're saved? Do you know you got power? Power. Power. Hey. Hey. Yeah. Under my feet. God, I get you all to stand here tonight. And some of you had the devil trying to pull you down. I want you to just get up right now and say, Satan, you're under my feet. Now come on, let's stomp him down. Come on. You know you got him in your place.